Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how you can find minimum and maximum element in an array in Java. So let's start the video. So firstly, we are going to create a new Java project. So right click, go to new, create a project, select Java project, right? Give project name, like I am giving name array, right? Click on finish button. Click on now. So select array project, go to SRC, right click, and first we will create a package. Package means folder, right? In which our programs will be stored, right? So I am giving package name Fever, right? Now create a class, right click, go to class and give class name min max array, right? Click on this button. Now create main method. So type ma and main, control space bar, hit enter, right? Main method is created. Now what is minimum element and what is maximum element? Minimum element is the smallest values in an array, while maximum element is the largest value in an array, right? So let's create an array. Integer a of array is equal to, if 10, 5, 25, 3, 10, right? So this is your array. So here min is equal to 5 and max is equal to 25. Right? So smallest value 5 is the minimum element and largest value 25 is the maximum element. Now how it works, right? So assume the first element is the both minimum and maximum element, right? So int minimum is equal to a of 0, integer max is equal to a of 0, right? Check each element one by one, right? If an element is smaller than the current minimum, update the minimum. If an element is larger than the current maximum, update the maximum. After checking all the elements, you get the minimum and maximum value. How? Let's see. Now I iterate the array for integer I equal to 1, I less than array of length, right? Here you can see array of I is less than minimum, update the minimum. If array of I is greater than max, update the max value, right? Now print the elements. Sort, control space bar, enter, right? Minimum element in the array right? Maximum element in the array, right? Now run the program and see the output. How we can run the program? Go to here, select run as Java application. Now you can see minimum element in the array is 3 and maximum element in the array is 25, right? Now let's understand its iteration, right? Now let's understand its iteration. Integer a of array equal to 10, 5, 25, 3, 80. So at iteration first I is equal to 1. Here indexing start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is value and this is index, right? So current element equal to 1. So check minimum. Now you can see for iteration 2 will be same like that. Iteration 2 value is equal to 25, right? I equal to 2 but current element will be 25, right? Check minimum. If area of I is equal to less than minimum, so it becomes 25 less than 10, condition becomes false. So no change, no change. Right? Check max here, maximum. If a of I is greater than max becomes 5. 5 greater than 10, condition is false. Condition is false. Condition is false, then no change. Check maximum. Check maximum. Check maximum. If a of array of I is greater than max So 25 is greater than 10. Condition is true. So here min is equal to 5, but max is equal to 25. Right? Now check for iteration 3. Copy here. Iteration 3, I equal to 3. So current element will be here 3, 3. Current element will be 3. Check minimum. 3 is less than 5. 3 less than 5. Yes. Condition true. So here minimum is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 10. Condition false. Right? So min is equal to 3. Here max is equal to 25. 3 is greater than 25. Condition is false. Iteration 4, I will be 18. So 18 less than 3, condition become false. So no change. Now 18 is greater than 25, condition become false, so no change. So finally